Hey, I'm David Ohnstad from Veeam. 3 weeks before quarterly planning, we had to make a brutal choice. Launch a $250,000 customer-facing analytics product we'd spent 6 months building. Or kill it to rebuild the metadata infrastructure that literally every team depended on. We killed it, and that decision saved us from years of compounding technical debt. Here's why that matters, and how to make this call at your own company. So here's what we faced. We had this analytics product that checked every box. Executive sponsorship, a launch date, revenue impact, but under the surface, our metadata infrastructure was breaking. Teams couldn't trust what data existed or where it lived. They were building workarounds because the system they needed to depend on wasn't reliable. We realized we couldn't ship new products on top of a foundation that was failing. The better play was to rebuild that foundation first. Here's the problem. We use frameworks like RICE and business value scoring to make these decisions. But those frameworks are designed for direct product value. Platform work doesn't work that way. Its value is distributed across multiple teams, multiple future products, and it's invisible until it suddenly isn't. You can't put that in a spreadsheet. So platform work always loses the prioritization battle, even when it's the thing that's actually killing your velocity. And here's what most teams do wrong. They wait. They keep shipping products until something breaks visibly enough that people pay attention. We could have shipped that analytics product and limped along for another 3 quarters, watching technical debt compound. Instead, we made the call early. That one decision bought us stability and velocity for everything downstream. The teams that get this right aren't the ones reacting to failures. They're the ones making platform investments before the crisis hits. So when you're facing this decision, ask yourself 3 things. First, is this platform work blocking multiple products from being reliable? Second, what's the actual cost if we don't do it? Not just today, but in 3 quarters? And third, which choice gives us more velocity over the next year, not the next sprint? For us, the answer was clear. Rebuild the foundation. Ship better products later. That's the real payoff. This isn't just a Veeam story. It's the tension every data team faces. If you want the full breakdown of how we made this decision and the frameworks we use now, read the full article at the link below.